Hello, everyone. Today we are going to discuss etiquette in your Google Meet classes. The word etiquette means rules for proper behavior. Using etiquette in your online classes will help your teacher be able to teach more and will help you be able to learn more easily without distractions. Mute, mute, mute. When you are in a Google Meet class with 20-something other students, all joining in from their different environments, that can create a lot of background noise. So, unless you are supposed to be speaking at that time, stay on mute. Stay mute most of the time. The mute button looks like this picture right here. If you are not on mute and you notice that you suddenly are mute, that is because your teacher muted you because you or your background was too loud and causing a distraction for the class. Do not unmute it right away. Stay on mute so you don't distract others. The chat box is for asking questions, answering your teacher's questions, and technology problems. It's not for talking to your friend about that fun thing you did over the weekend. Use your chat box when your teacher allows you to. It is not for telling everyone hello throughout the whole class or for having side conversations. Keep your camera on. We love seeing your face. We will think you're absent if your camera is off. If you don't want anyone to see what is behind you, find a blank space to sit, or use a blanket or something as a backdrop, or ask your teacher how to use a virtual background on Google Meet. Whatever your teacher's rules are for speaking during class online, make sure you follow those rules. Some teachers might want you to type your questions in chat. Some teachers might have you raise your hand. Whatever the case, never interrupt a teacher or another student who is speaking. Wait for a good time to speak. Take a moment to think about what she can do better in these examples. In the upper left corner, her whole face isn't showing. We want to see her whole face, not her ceiling. She needs to check her camera, adjust her device, and make sure her face is visible. In the lower left corner, she looks distracted, like she might be looking at something else in the room, a TV or a person talking. In the bottom right corner, she is on the phone and is obviously not learning anything in the lesson. Show us you are listening. Look at the screen so we can see your eyes facing us. We should see your face. Answer questions the teacher asks to show you are paying attention. Give your full attention to the class and not to other things going on at home. Make sure you are not using another device like a phone or PlayStation or toy or whatever. You will not be learning if your attention is divided between two or more things. Avoid distractions. Try to find a quiet space to do class, away from the TV, away from others, unless they are helping you or watching you. Try to sit or stand in the same place, not walking around. You can wiggle and stretch, but have your computer sitting on a surface in front of you so that the screen is not wiggling and moving with you, as this can distract others in the class. What do you wear for online classes? You might think, well, that's silly. I'm at home. Why does it matter what I wear? Well, we want you to dress for school. We are going to see you on camera. Here are some things you don't wear to online classes. Your pajamas, tank tops that show too much, only in your underwear, or clothing that's not school appropriate. Here are some things we do want you to wear. A shirt you would wear to school, pants you would wear to school, appropriate shorts you would wear to school, or any other outfits you might wear to school. If you have to go to the restroom, we don't want to see you on your computer going to the restroom like that little guy in the picture. It sounds funny, but please don't forget, you are on camera. Try to wait for a break time to go. This may mean waiting until the end of the Google Meet class. That way, you don't miss any learning. But if you absolutely have to go, then go. But don't take your computer with you. We don't want to see you in the bathroom. Leave your computer at your workspace and leave and go to the bathroom. Leave your computer up and open so you don't have to find the Google Meet again when you get back from the bathroom. It will just still be there, ready for you. And that is all I have. But if your teacher gives you more rules for proper behavior for your Google Meets, please follow those rules as well.